10 Essential Tips for Launching Your Business Website and Boosting Online Presence. 1. Set clear website goals for your business. Identify the main purpose of your website. Is it to showcase your brand, sell products, or generate leads? Clear objectives help shape your strategy. Establish measurable KPIs, such as traffic volume, conversion rates, or email signups, to track your website's success. 2. Create a strong visual identity for your brand. Design a consistent and professional visual identity, including your logo, color scheme, and typography. This strengthens your brand recognition. Ensure all design elements align with your brand's personality and mission. 3. Optimize your website for SEO. Use keyword research to target the terms your potential customers are searching for. Include relevant keywords in titles, meta descriptions, header tags, H1, H2, and throughout your content to boost organic search rankings. Use alt text for images and ensure the website's code is optimized for fast loading speeds. 4. Ensure a user-friendly navigation structure. Keep your website's navigation simple and intuitive, making it easy for visitors to find important sections like Home, Products/Services, About Us, and Contact. A well-organized sitemap is crucial for both users and search engines. 5. Publish high-quality, SEO-optimized content. Write content that speaks directly to your target audience's needs while naturally incorporating keywords. Regularly update your blog or news section with fresh, relevant content that drives organic traffic. Include detailed product/service descriptions, customer testimonials, and case studies. 6. Make your website mobile-friendly and responsive. Ensure your website is fully responsive, offering a seamless experience on all devices, including smartphones and tablets. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing, meaning mobile-friendly sites rank better in search results. 7. Secure your website with SSL certification. Install an SSL certificate to switch from HTTP to HTTPS, which secures data transfers and boosts trust with users and search engines. Google favors secure websites, so SSL also positively impacts your SEO rankings. 8. Include clear calls to action, CTAs. Implement strong, clear CTAs that guide users towards desired actions, like buy now, request a quote, or subscribe. Strategically place CTAs throughout your website to maximize engagement and conversions. 9. Test and optimize before launching. Before going live, thoroughly test your website for bugs, speed, and compatibility across browsers and devices. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to assess loading times and implement any necessary improvements. 10. Promote your website launch with online marketing. Announce your website launch on social media platforms, in email newsletters, and through paid online ads. Implement a backlink strategy by collaborating with influencers, guest bloggers, or business directories to boost your domain authority. Launching your business website is a crucial step toward building your brand and attracting customers. By focusing on clear goals, SEO optimization, and a user-friendly experience, you'll create a powerful tool to drive growth. Stay motivated, this is just the beginning. With the right approach and dedication, your website can be a key driver of success for your business. Keep pushing forward.